Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Imran and I have been registered with Academic Experts since 2019. They are a recruiting agency. I have found tremendous and amazing schools through this platform. All of my experiences were amazing. So if you're looking for a job, get registered with them. If you're looking for some workshops and some teacher trainings or different type of training regarding freelancing, digital marketing, and some different type of teaching workshops, you can get registered with them. As we all know, math is not a likable subject. It is not liked by most of the students. They find it hard and difficult. It's because the way we teach it. If we teach it in the same typical way we have been taught, the result would be the same. Your students would not be interested in the lesson. So to make it more interesting and engaging, and to make your students like that subject, even love that subject, you need to change your lesson plans. You need to add up some different activities and interactive activities in which you can also take part in it, and then you can make it like a game. Teach it like a game and make them love it. So as I have told you, I have found Academic Experts very authentic. If you're looking for a job, if you're looking for some trainings, you can get registered with them. I'm coming your way to take your math workshop. The workshop name is Making Math Interactive and Making Math Interesting.